In the remote Northern Territory community of Pepeminardi, fear and violence have become a part of the daily life. Residents are fleeing the community, leaving behind those with no choice but to endure stabbings, sexual assaults, and other violent incidents. This past week, the NT Police Minister Kate Wardern attempted to visit the community, only to be diverted due to civil unrest. Ray Ware, CEO of Diwan Kareem Aboriginal Corporation, claims that the situation has been deteriorating for the past 4 years. He goes on to say that he has had all of his staff leave due to the escalating violence, and that he personally was the victim of an attack, a stabbing, but chose not to report it due to a lack of police resources. Ware outlines a harrowing incident where one woman was severely beaten over a 2-day period, subject to choking, strangling, and broken ribs. Despite requiring medical attention, she couldn't be airlifted until the following day. Another woman in the community was sexually assaulted and taken to another remote community, only to be left alone and terrified in the bush until the next day. Air ambulance services refused to land in the community due to safety concerns. The community is in desperate need of assistance, with a lack of adequate accommodation and social support. Ray Ware is appealing to the NT government for additional resources, claiming that the community would support intervention from the Australian Defence Force or the Australian Federal Police. A spokesperson from the NT government said that the police are maintaining an ongoing presence and that increased resources are available when requested. They are also planning to build a police complex to address the community's needs. This devastating situation in Pepeminardi is yet another example of racial disparities in the criminal justice system, an issue that needs to be addressed before Pepeminardi is forgotten. To ensure further violence isn't inflicted, support is needed, and its essential action is taken to weave peace and safety back into the lives of the community's members.